I'm going to show you how to deposit cash into your PayPal account. So the first option is add cash at a store. Usually if it's available in your country, you can do it, which will basically involve opening the PayPal app while you're signed in, and then just go to the wallet menu. And from here, you should find a button that says add cash, which you can click on, and then select the store or the store that you're going to use. And it will generate a barcode when you do that. You can just show the barcode to the cashier and pay in cash. And once you're done, the money should be added to your PayPal balance. Usually it takes a few minutes to appear on your PayPal balance. And this is the first method, which you can use if it's available on your country. And the second method is to deposit cash to your bank account first, and then just go to the wallet again and link your bank account in your PayPal wallet and verify it, and then just use your PayPal your bank account. You can select it and just click on add money. If it's supported in your country, bank accounts usually have the option to add money directly from your bank account. And once you finish the confirmation, the transfer should be completed within 3 business days, and the balance or the money should be credited to your PayPal balance from your bank account. Again, the availability of these options usually depends on your country. It's not available in certain countries. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll see you on the next one.